这个33，就这个长度。
OK， 上面。
哎，这个黑点，然后这个灯必须闪一下。
啊，这就是对光电眼的时候，对吧？
对。啊，下面那个灯。
你按点，你是按照点动把它扯过来的吗？
你看啊，我先关掉啊。啊。灯灭掉了，看到没有？
是照着黑点的时候灭掉了。
对，照黑点灭灯。啊。没照黑点，灯又亮了。
等会儿，好看一下。
这灯灭了。
啊。
这又亮了。
啊。
就照这个黑点。
照着黑点就。
灯要灭。
灭灯啊。When the sensor alters the black block, the instruction light is turned off. When it's passed away, the instruction light is red. Okay. Get the position products in the middle of two black sensor.
OK， 就调这个数字，调这个数字5啊，这个，调最前后的。
This is the feeding position. It means the product's position on the plastic bag. Make sure it is the center, on the center of the two sensor, black sensor blocks. Okay. Okay, it is a cutlery on the middle of the two black blocks. It adjusts the feeding position. Until in the middle position. 好的。When the printing film is on the black block, it will check the checking option. When the film is clear without any printing, it will be checked fixed. The counting conveyor is walk forward a big step. The starting angle, this is, make sure it's no, and then make sure like this, the right position on the conveyor. It adjustment this angle, this open angle. It means the starting angle, starting walking forward angle. You can adjust this angle, increase or decrease. And
你那个可以不说，你那个可以不用，你就直接用这个，你就直接用这个。
And the distance between between the walk forward a big step is the adjustment. This one. This increase the time. They adjust the distance and by adjust this one. This time.
以色标为长度，你要是按进长对吧？就是你们自己设置长度。
Okay. If you film is printed by the black block, then check the checking. So it automatically preset the bag length according to the two blocks length. This restriction Tokyo, it means the okay, 放在里面。If the product is not on the right position, then when machine runs, then the blade will cut on the products. It will automatic drop up.
还有你这边拍视频给他看，反切的时候，看起来的拍视频给他看。
好，
就直接拍这里。
来。哪一个？ This it can prevent the blade not cut on the products. When cut on it, it will be jump up, so it can protect the blade not damage. This percent, it means the cutting power. When it's big, the power is big, so it will cut broken the products. And this quantity is the cutting on the products, the quantity. It generally preset the two.